Yo, what's up? What's up? Good morning, man. It's your boy Renzo, Ice G. The original. Um, Took a break this week from Forex and trading, man. I'm out here. Y'all know I'm from Houston, man, but I came out here to Arkansas, visit some family and stuff like that, man. See how people are doing. But so a lot of people be asking how do I get started in Forex, or what they should do, how do they get started and stuff like that. For me, the answer is pretty much simple, man. You just look stuff up, man. You research, you study, hi baby, and you try to figure things out. Like when I first started, I came in naked. I jumped on the charts, I started looking. I was naked trading, price action trading. Um, Open up accounts, what I'm saying? I started out with forex.com actually. And most brokers have tutorial videos, what I'm saying? So I started watching tutorial videos on my brokers and stuff like that. So I learned pretty much the basics of it. And then I try to go off that, Of course, I didn't really make a lot of money doing it. But and I started off with real money, no lie, man. You know what I'm saying? So of course, I lost money. And then I started doing demo accounts and started trying to learn more. Well, of course, as I was playing with Forex, I started researching stuff, looking stuff up on Google, what affects the Forex markets, how to know when prices might go up or might go down, stuff like that, man. Anything that popped in my mind, I researched it, I searched it and everything, you know what I'm saying? Watch people on YouTube, I read stuff on, as you can see up here. I got investing.com, stockmarket.com, Investopedia. I even try to go straight off signals, off the indicators and investing.com and stuff like that, man. But I do a lot of research. I can see right here my toolbar, man. I got a lot of stuff where I save stuff that I read and stuff like that. But anyway, to the point, man, I want to bring y'all to this one channel right here on YouTube. No Nonsense Forex, man. And I want to say that if you come over here, man, and you just watch one of his videos for beginners, let me go to this playlist, man. This dude, he breaks stuff down to simplest terms, man, and he's real good at it, And I just ran across this person not too long ago, man. I just started watching his videos last week, man, and I like what he be talking about. You see right here, he got the FX trading strategies, core concepts. See, I was watching his I was watching on his algorithm, and he says if you've never been on this channel already, come over here, watch the beginners and watch the first 13 and whatnot. But here's a suggestion for people wanting to learn about Forex. Okay, baby. There you go. Excuse me, Bill. All right, go to the bathroom. One side. So this is just a suggestion, man, for people who ask me questions on learning Forex, man. And like I said before, it's hard for me to break stuff down and explain it to people because, my mind, I grasp things easily. Not easily, but I learn quicker than other people do. And I'm able to move. So whenever I try to explain it to other people, I'm explaining it on the way I understand it. And a lot of people don't understand it the way I try to break it down. But this YouTube channel right here, No Nonsense Forex, man, I recommend it. It's a good channel. If you just actually take the time to learn, watch his videos, stuff like that, you'll learn something. And that's the problem with a lot of people who say they want to learn Forex. They're really not willing to learn. They just want to know how to make money. Well, in order to learn how to make money, you got to put in the work, man. We all have to, man. Everybody who's successful on Forex, man, and who's where they want to be, they put in the work. I'm a successful Forex trader. I'm just not where I want to be yet. So, of course, I keep studying and keep practicing and keep moving. And as I said before, I'm putting together my own strategy for the US 30 that I will be sharing with people once I finish back testing it. But, man, if you really want to be successful in trading Forex, currency, indexes, or stocks, man, you need to put in your own footwork, man. We can give you all the information we want, but unless you actually take the time to understand it, you will never be successful. So here's a recommendation, a pointer I'm giving y'all. Go check this guy's channel out, No Nonsense Forex. His name's VP. He's a pro trader, professional prop trader here in America, which means what a prop trader is somebody who trades for a firm who trades their money for them. So if you're trading, if a firm is trusting you to trade their money for them, this guy's got to be something. So with that, man, I'm about to be out, man. Go check this No Nonsense Forex out, and make sure you go check out my YouTube channel because this is where this is gonna be. And subscribe, hit the bell so that way you get more videos from me. All right, man. I'm out. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.